This is a 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe with the 6 cylinders. I'm gonna be showing how to take out this tray here where you see the cigarette lighters right there, and also the knob here from the shifter. And this cover here, you just pry it out with a flathead screwdriver from all around, from all the corners, the 4 corners, and it comes out immediately. And now again, we got a flathead screwdriver here to remove the knob from this shifter here, just a small one like this one. Do not get a big one, you might damage something. And pry it here very carefully, not to damage it. And pry it very, very carefully again and bring it out. And that's how it comes out, if you can see. And once you open it, you see this is secured here by this small lock. Oops, it fell. This one here, as you can see, is a small lock. And just pull it out. Next, I'll remove this tray here. As I said, just pry it out with a flathead screwdriver. You see the clips here, that's all. And pull it out. And it has some connectors in the back, about 3 or 4 here. The 2 cigarette lighters. This one here. And see these connectors here. This is a circuit board also. This goes here like this, and that's all.